Investment bankers help companies, governments, and other organizations raise money and make smart financial decisions. They often work on large deals, such as helping a business sell shares to the public or advising a company that wants to buy another one. Investment bankers also study financial markets, analyze risks, and talk to clients about the best ways to grow or protect their money. A beginner, or analyst, might earn around £40,000 to £60,000 a year, and often gets a bonus on top of that. As they gain more experience and move up the ranks, salaries can rise quickly. Senior investment bankers can earn well over £100,000 a year, and top performers can take home bonuses that are even bigger than their salary. A university degree, often in a subject like economics, finance, maths, or business, is usually required to become an investment banker. This means good A-level results are also important. Some people also do a postgraduate degree, like a master's in finance, to improve their chances. Work experience is very helpful. Too many students apply for internships with banks while they're still at university. Investment banks look for people who are confident, good with numbers, able to work well under pressure, and have strong problem-solving and communication skills.